Sara loved to play indoors with her soft, bouncy ball. She especially liked tossing it up and catching it, pretending she was a champion player in a big game. Her mom would often say, "Sara, please don't play catch near the shelf. That blue vase is very special to us." Sara always nodded. She didn't mean to forget. But one sunny afternoon, caught up in her game, she tossed the ball a little too high, a little too hard. It bounced off the wall, hit the shelf, and crash! The beautiful blue vase shattered into pieces all over the rug. Sara gasped. Her heart thumped loudly. The vase was gone. And worse, she had broken the one thing her mom always warned her about. Just then, her dad came into the room. His eyes widened when he saw the mess. "Oh no! What happened here?" he asked. Sara stared at the broken pieces, her stomach tight with fear. I don't know," she said, barely above a whisper. "Maybe it just fell?" Her dad looked puzzled. "That vase was sitting still for years. Strange," he said, then knelt down to clean up the mess. He didn't scold her, but something in his eyes made Sara feel even worse. That night, Sara couldn't sleep well. She tossed and turned. There was a heavy, squirmy feeling inside her. She thought about the vase and how she hadn't told the truth. It was just one little lie, but it didn't feel small at all. The next day, everything felt different. Her dad didn't laugh at her silly jokes. He didn't ask her to play their favorite board game. Even when she showed him her drawing, he just nodded. A quiet space had opened between them, and Sara didn't like it one bit. Finally, in the afternoon, Sara stood by his chair while he read a book. "Dad?" she said quietly. He looked up. "Yes, sweetie?" Sara twisted her fingers nervously. "I have to tell you something," she said. "The vase didn't fall. I was playing catch, and my ball hit it. I was scared to say it yesterday. I'm really sorry I broke it. And I'm sorry I lied." Her dad looked at her for a moment. Then he put down the book and opened his arms. Sara ran into his hug. "I'm proud of you for telling the truth," he said softly. "I was sad about the vase, but I was even sadder because I felt like you weren't being honest with me. That hurt more." Sara nodded, her eyes watery. The heavy feeling began to lift. "Everyone makes mistakes," her dad said, "but when we lie, it breaks trust. And trust is like a bridge between us. It helps us stay close and feel safe." Sara helped him gather the broken pieces into a box. They talked about saving up for a new vase and how to be more careful in the future. Bit by bit, the warm feeling between them returned. And Sara never forgot what she learned. Being honest might feel scary at first, but it keeps the bridge of love and trust strong, and that matters more than anything else. And that was the end of the story. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later. Bye-bye.